Hey everybody, it's Nazara with Nazarasfinecrafts, and today I wanted to do, my grandmother sent me this package. Sorry, I'm moving the camera. You hear baby brother sitting here next to me on the floor. Yeah, and he's going to start talking to me, you know he is. But my grandmother sent me some goodies that she said she found, and she wanted to pick up for me. It's yarn goodies. There's also a couple Christmas presents here, so I've got my bag to stick them in for big brother and little brother. So first she sent me a Taste of Home slow cooker recipe book. So that's probably a Christmas present, but that's okay. And then she picked up these already crocheted towel toppers. So this person split the towel in half. But that's cute. I like that. And let's see. What is this thing? It's got a strap there to tie. Okay, how cute. So it's a scrubby, face scrubby, or dish scrubby, and a dishcloth. I would use it for dishes. It's kind of hard for your face. That one is. I'm not sure exactly what. This doesn't say who it's from as far as who made it. That's probably a Christmas gift too. But it's really, really nice and scrubby. And then cotton on the back, and then a cotton washcloth. There's a fly flying around here.
It's so much.
Got some socks. Just regular socks for me. Got a Frosty Treats and More Taste of Home cookbook. That's a Christmas gift. And we got, it looks like a deer blanket for daddy or big brother. Oh, you guys, that's so cute. It's a hooded blanket. And that one's, no sir. Big brother's trying to see his present. Okay, I know which one's for big brother and which one's for little brother. So that looks like it's all the Christmas presents. No, they're in the bag. They're waiting for... Nope. I gotta close up the bag. He's over there eating pizza with his friend. Alright. But this is full of yarn, so I wanted to share with you what yarn she sent me as well. Yeah? Hi. He just woke up from a nap. So there's a skein and a remnant of Red Heart Super Saver, worsted weight 4-ply. This is just in the regular color brown. Always use some brown. Made in the US. 5mm crochet hook, machine washable and dryable. This is 8 ounces, 225 grams. And where is the yardage? 100% acrylic. I'm not seeing yardage on this skein, so, but always use some brown. And then we've got warm brown of Red Heart Super Saver. 7 ounces, 198 grams, 364 yards, 333 meters. Made in the U.S. of imported fibers, medium 4-weight. Machine washable and dryable. 100% acrylic, so nice light brown. She sent me these floss bobbins, a package here. And then this whole little kit and caboodle of, it looks like baby sparkle pompadours. I'm not sure. Let's see. So there's a white and a remnant. Baby sparkle Hirschners. Awesome. White, and then this one is baby green. 2 of those. Okay. Okay. Oh. There's 2 more white. You see the little shimmer in that? One well, what is this? Baby purple probably. Soft lilac. You're okay. Lilac is a flower. There's one of baby pink. And then 3 of this dream. It's called Dream. So these are, hey. You're okay. Yeah, you are. I love you. Yeah. You want me to hold you? Oh, there's brother. You gonna talk to brother? It's Hirschner's Baby Sparkle Pompadour. Like I said, it's 90% acrylic, 10% nylon. 3 ounces, 85 grams, 190 yards, 174 meters. Let's see, knit is size 6 needles. Crochet is a H8 hook. Machine wash dry flat, made in China. And it's a light 3 weight. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here, handsome. Maybe he'll be happy laying right here. So, and then it looks like somebody was working on a pattern. It's an Ice Castle Afghan from Hirschner's. So I've got a written pattern book. That's pretty. It's a nice, it's perfect for this season. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. And I hope you like this little Happy Mail unboxing from my grandmother. So thank you, Grandma, if you're watching this. So I appreciate it a lot. I will send her a thank you note. And then so that was a good little yarn haul that she found. So I hope y'all are having a great day and a great holiday season, and I'll see you later. Bye. Hit the silver button.
What silver button?
On the top. You see it?